Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, beautiful, this low mileage, 56,000 miles, 2 owners, just serviced, just had a CAMBELT and water pump replacement, 4 new tyres. Santorini black metallic, oatmeal or light coloured leather. Got good service history, serviced at 8,000, 15, 22, 29, 40 and 56. Just been serviced, 2 owners. HSE model, Freelander 2, 2.2 SD4 HSE, automatic 4-wheel drive. So 2.2 diesel auto HSE model. See there, it's got rear park sensors. The load cover is in the boot, and it has a full-size alloy spare wheel. Immaculate wheel with a new tyre, paintwork is beautiful. Another immaculate wheel with a new tyre, not covered in stone chips or anything. Daytime LED, running lights, front park sensors, front fog lamps, headlamp washers. Land Rover carpet mats are in there, they've been in from new. It's got Meridian hi-fi. You can switch the passenger's front seat airbag off there. Electric seats, heated seats, front armrests, panoramic sunroofs. The front one is tilted. They both have sunshades. The front one tilts and slides. Multifunction leather heated steering wheel. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control. Got all your off-road functions down there, snow and gravel, mud and ruts, on-road, etc. All switchable while you're on the move. The mats are in the back as well. Lovely, lovely, lovely oatmeal leather. HSE SD4. Really clean in the boot area. Load covers in there. Very, very nice. Under here, alloy, Pirelli tyre. Excellent. Don't all come with a full-size spare wheel. Some of them have a space saver and some of them have a can of tyre foam. Right, wheels, bodywork, this side just as nice, immaculate in fact. Wheels are like new, has got new tyres on, has just had a CAMBELT and a water pump. All serviced, ready to go, 2 owners, lovely mileage, 56,000 miles. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated mirrors. Electric memory driver's seat. Leather in very, very, very nice condition. Your multifunction steering wheel. There's the button for the heated steering wheel, just to the right of the phone buttons. 56,136 miles from new. Heated seats on, it's working lovely. And all that for £15,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. Normally got more than one Freelander. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.